Hey guys, this is your girl Madison Sky Makeup coming back to you with another YouTube tutorial. This is the look we are achieving today. I don't know if it's really homecoming right now. Homecoming was like recently. I just been hearing a lot of people talk about homecoming. I didn't go to a HBCU. Homecoming was not a big deal to me. I did, however, frequent a few HBCU homecomings, and when I tell you it's nothing like it, period, nothing like it. Yeah, we had to sit down this year. They weren't mine, but I did partake in them. We had to sit down this year, and a lot of people have been feeling the type of way about it, rightfully so. But you know, I had to come in and do a little ode to homecoming. You know, this is one of them looks when you've been out with your girls, y'all been partying the night before, the big game is Saturday, y'all getting ready, you tired, you woke up, you had to go get some breakfast from the Waffle House or whatever your local little breakfast eatery is. Get back in time to get dressed, pull yourself together so y'all can get on the yard and then head to the game. So this is a quick little tutorial on how to gather yourself, baby. Gather yourself and get ready. And be ready to do your thing. Face anything, face anybody, face whoever, baby, and be pulled together and snatched and ready. So I hope you guys stay tuned and definitely follow along on this tutorial. Oh, I can't forget to highlight my little headpiece, y'all. Y'all know it has been a struggle being in COVID, and I have been, doing my natural hair kick, and I love it. The little twist outs, my Bantu knots, my wash and goes, whatever. I've tried it all at this point, and I just got tired of trying. So I said, let me go ahead and order a little piece, a little unit, and see how I like it. I don't do them too often, but I mean, she cute. She coming in handy. She's doing her thing. I thought it was going to be a bit longer. The 18 piece or the 18 inches is what I went for. But she decided to give me more of a shoulder length bob. It's this texture of the hair. She cute. Okay. I got it from Nadula. That's who I ordered it from. And came in a little package. She came along with a little wig cap and two of the little headbands that you could use. So cute, right? And she came quick. Sis came quick. I think I ordered her on like a good Saturday. She was here by Wednesday, I think, baby. Sitting on my porch, ready. I wasn't expecting her so soon, but they do have discounts going on right now due to the holidays and all that stuff. So I'll link all the information down below if you'd like to partake. Yeah, she was real simple. Got her out the box because sis is real up on this COVID situation. Washed her, conditioned her, and I threw a little bit of mousse in her and let her air dry. Threw my little headband on because, as I said, it is a little wig piece. So she got a little clip right here, little clip back here, and she's secure. But anyway, if you are interested in getting to this look, stay tuned. Okay, so this is what we're about to do. So we're gonna be out there in the sun and down south during homecoming. It's not always cold. It's still a little warm. So you're gonna be out there sweating. So we're not gonna do nothing that's requiring too much makeup. And I just like to say that my skin is really, I don't know if it's the light or what, but I'm here for it today. I'm here for it. Anyway, back into the tutorial. What we're not going to do is put on anything that is going to make your skin extra prone to sweat and producing oil, okay? So I'm not telling you not to wash your face, cleanse, moisturize, and stuff like that, but don't use a heavy moisturizer going outside. And now I'm going to go in with a mattifying primer and place that in the spot so that you tend to get oily, and that's really in my T-zone. What I'm not gonna lack on is the fact that I still want to look like I have that glow from within, because she does. So I'm still gonna go in with my little MAC strobe cream, a little bit on my fingers and right there. Okay, and for my heavy sweaters, you can go in with a light layer of translucent powder. We want to hold back the sweat, okay? We don't want to be out here looking like fresh out the grease fried chicken. So first we're going to go in with our NYX Brow Gel. I use the brow gel because, especially for those of us that are heavy sweaters, it don't move, it don't shift, it don't leak, it don't drip, like nothing. It stays in place, whether you touch it or not. It's locked, it's loaded, it dries fast, so you gotta move fast when you put this stuff on. Before we go into the brow, I wanted to lay down a little bit of concealer. Y'all, so I got this palette recently in the mail. It is the chocolate palette by Juvias Place. Really cute, really neutral. You know, I'm gonna use, I don't know what this color gonna do, but sometimes out the pan it does something a little bit different. Very good. Okay, we're gonna go in with this brown here. Going in with a little bit of primer on the lid right there. And I like to use a fluffy brush because it just buffs it out evenly. Just popping it right there. And this brush may be too big for some of you. I told y'all I have large eyes, so. Now I'm going to go in with that light brown color we used earlier just to set that. All right, I'm gonna hit it up with a little bit of brown eyeliner during the day. You know, we like to keep it a little softer, a little more neutral, something not so harsh. So that's pretty much it for the eyes. We're gonna go in with the lash. We own the yard in daytime. We don't want no heavy dramatic lashes, okay? We want to look like we sun-kissed. We youthful, you know, we don't want nothing to be just too much. So get you a cute little, light little wispy lash. See, light and wispy. So now we're gonna go in with my complexion. I'm using the Juvias Place concealers. This is the number 9. And the I Am Magic concealer. And because we said we was gonna be keeping it light, you know, this is for those imperfections that we want to cover up, the little minimalist. So it's really not a lot. Now we're gonna go in with our brush and blend out the under eye concealer. I think I may have went a little too heavy with that. Maybe, possibly. So we're going back in with our sponge and yeah, go over it, y'all. It's okay. It's makeup. See? Boom. She cute. We'll go in up under the eye with a little bit of translucent powder. Set that baby in place. For that extra lockdown mode, I should have gone in with either my MAC powder or my Makeup Forever mattifying powder, and then hit it with, boom, the translucent on top. You see what I'm talking about? That's how you lock and load it. But I forgot. I should have remembered because. Okay, so I don't really want to contour. I don't want to. You can, you know, we're not contouring. We're not contouring. So we're going to go in with my favorite, my Morphe Glamabronze bronzer. We're going to just put a little color back into the face, right around the edges. Cheek pop, little cheek pop. I'm gonna add a little color to the cheeks. I'm going in with another one of my Juvias Place palettes and the color Dara. I think that's how you say it. Anyway, that's the color. Something light, y'all. Something light, but a little bit of color, you know? Kind of that baby doll kiss cheeks, you know? So if you know me, you know how I feel about this Uoma stick and the radiance it gives. So we're not gonna do much. We're not gonna put that powder on and, you know, have you out there looking all chalky and dusty and stuff like that. So we're gonna go in a little bit with our Uoma, get right there at the cheek, offer a little bit of little glow. You know, when your old cutie, your old boo from college peep you and you hit them with that cheek pop, that part. Okay, you see how it adds a little radiance to the skin as well? Nobody can tell me anything bad about the Uoma stick. Nobody. So I don't want to do too much to the bottom lash. I think it's kind of cute like this. You can leave it like this. But I am going to go in with Juvias Place Chocolate Palette and grab that brown. Swoosh, swoosh, swoosh. Just a little bit right there at the corner. We're not going to go all the way over. I'm going to hit a little bit of my bottom lashes with some mascara. And now for the lip combo, we are going in with Nightmoth from MAC. Make sure you hit the edges of that lip, the very edge. I like to fill my lips in with the liner. A lippy of choice is going to be my Beauty Bakerie Cranberry Stiletto Lip Whip. I have been using this little brush lately because it just feathers out the edges so perfectly. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. You definitely want to make sure you secure this face with a little setting spray before you head on out. But this is it. It's simple. It's it. Now you're ready to hit the yard. You're ready to go ahead and hit that game. You're ready. You don't have to worry about nothing being out of place because your brow's not going to move. Because they said, you know, you got your matte lip and we done set this face to be ready for anything. So we're ready. I am so glad that you guys joined me for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and were able to walk away with something, little tips and tricks maybe, possibly. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, peace out, babies.